Hello, 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 everyone. It's Beverly with Custom Created Handmade Crafts. How are you guys today? I am well. Today is Monday, and we are off from the weekend to a fresh new start. So I hope that you all had a great weekend. I hope that you all got to catch the collab and got to watch all of those great videos and creators do their thing for fall. I enjoyed it. I finished watching all of the videos yesterday, and there were really some great talent out there. So I greatly enjoyed myself watching what everybody created for their fall projects. Today, we are going to be working on a piece that a friend of mine asked me to do as an anniversary for their job. Her and another lady, um, their 10-year anniversary has come, and they wanted a particular piece, and I will put a picture in the video so that you can see what the piece looks like. And the company no longer is doing that piece, but they both wanted it. So she asked if I could try to replicate it. So I am trying to see what I can do. So we are going to get started. I mixed up 120 milliliters of my T Expert crystal clear resin, and excuse me, and my voice, my you guys know how my allergies are. My voice tries to go in and out. So just bear with me, it'll come back eventually. Um, so I found this mold on Amazon and ordered it, and it's basically a candle holder, and you put in your tea light candles and here, and then the numbers will stand in front. So I am going to try to see if I can replicate these colors that we have in the piece. And I am only doing half of the colors in the base right now, just because I know that this resin does not like to be like fully. It doesn't like to be too deep. That's what I should be saying. I couldn't remember my words there. It doesn't like to be too deep. So I only want to do half of it so that it does not flash cure on me, because I have had that happen. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start with, this is blue. I have 6 drops of the Let's Resin alcohol ink in the color blue in here. And I am going to start with that. And I'm just going to like lay down my foundation of what I want to do. Um, I'm not going to pour it in just yet. I'm just going to put in the colors and and see if I like it here. And trying to think which colors will be on which side. Okay, yeah, I think I'm right so far. And watch it be totally wrong. It will be totally wrong, you guys. Okay, this here is I have 12 drops of my white HTV Runt alcohol ink, the metallic alcohol inks, and I have used these before. So that's what that is. And I'm just going to get this in here because there is some white across there, and it's really, the color is called pearl. So I should have been calling it pearl, not white. So there is some in the top here. Get this And we all know that resin is going to do what it wants to do. So I may have to do this in mica as well and see what I can get in that. But for now, I'm just trying the inks because I want it to be translucent so that once we put a tea light behind it, we'll be able to see it. Okay. And then there is a little bit of silver, and it may have just been the colors mixing, but it does look like some silver is in here as well. And I'm hoping they drop to the bottom is what I'm hoping they do. Oopsie. Okay. And then I'm going to add more of my blue as we come down. All right. And then I'm going to add in what I have used here is 3 drops of the Let's Resin Midnight Blue. And I have 6 drops of the Brea Reese alcohol ink in the color Prussian blue. And that is what made this color. So let's see if we can get this in here. And I do want the colors to blend. Here, I'll pour in some. It's darker at the bottom, in the middle, and towards the bottom. So now what we're going to do is I am just going to take the rest of my resin and add it into here and be done. And I can basically just do that in any way that I want to do it. And I'm going to do it just like, sort of like the picture is, with most of the white being in one side and then the other colors coming in. All right, you guys. So I am just going to, like I said, do some bubble patrol, and then I will heat this up with my heat gun and move it around some, and then I will be back once it is cured. All right, see you shortly. Okay, you guys. So unfortunately, when I hit start to record, the Wi-Fi went out and I didn't realize it, and so not quite sure what happened to my video, but it didn't record at all. So I do not have the demolding video for you, and I hope that's not a problem for you guys. But I do have the pictures, so I am going to let you see those here shortly. The customer is pleased with the colors of the set that I made, this first set, but I felt like the blue was too bright, and you will get to see that shortly. And so the second set that I'm making is the blues are going to be darker, and so we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, hugs and love, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.